Hi there, I'm Cristina and I'm from Romania. Digital literacy means having the skills you need to live, learn and work in a society where communication and access to information are made through digital technologies such as internet platforms, social media and mobile devices. Let's hear now how Truth from Nigeria is working to impact the digital education in her community.
Thank you, Cristina. See, the COVID-19 pandemic greatly accelerated the need for digital literacy. It exposed the digital literacy gap in the world, especially in my country, Nigeria. Applications like Zoom, Google Drive, and Google Documents that we rarely used now had to be used every day for work and for school. And this was a challenge before because prior to this time, we didn't use the app, so we didn't know how to use them effectively. So here's what I did. I learned how to use the apps and I made tutorial videos on how to use these apps. And these tutorial videos mirrored what was attainable on the app so that people could watch them and they could now practice using the apps. By the end of the lockdown, I was able to make about 30 tutorial videos on 17 different mobile productivity apps, and I reached about 2,000 people in Nigeria, Ghana, and Sierra Leone. This process helped me realize that young people like myself can lead change and we can start from just where we are and make a change.
You too can lead digital literacy in your community. Digital literacy is highly significant, but do all the youth around the world have access to the right tools for online learning? In the next episode of Fighters for Education, we will look at how we can address the inequality posed by online learning and the lack of access to the right tools.